guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been a while since I've done like a video where I actually talk to the camera. Normally I just do voiceovers. So I've been sent some like really nice things from different companies for my Halloween makeups, so I just wanted to share them with you guys. So firstly, I got sent this huge box of makeup from Treasure House of Makeup, which is a website in the UK that stocks all like special effects makeup and face painting stuff. This is in collaboration with Mehron UK, and Mehron is a really amazing face paint and body paint brand. Every Halloween Treasure House of Makeup and Mehron team together and they send out some PR packages to people who are going to create some Halloween looks for them. So let's see what's in the box. So first of all, also there was a little bag of sweets in, which I've definitely already eaten. So I'll pop a link to their Treasure House as Instagram and website below. This is the little flyer. And it says, Halloween Huns, time for tricks of the trade and treats for the artist. So this is Mehron Paradise paints in black and white, which is exactly what I need. The this white paint is the best for doing bases, so like skulls, clowns, any kind of white base. This is the best paint you can get to do that. And I'm not just saying that because they've sent me a Mehron 3D gel. They've sent me some metallic powder. So this powder, it comes in all the different like metallic colours and you get a mixing liquid with it as well. And it's just like a metallic powder, but then you mix it with the liquid and it becomes like a paint. So it's really amazing. It's kind of the most like metallic-y look you can get. And they've sent me the rose gold one, which that's what would be the one that I'd choose. So I'm really happy about that. Liquid latex, the classic. So this is really good for like creating any kind of like 3D effects. So you can use it to like stick tissue on or paper to create like 3D looks, or you can like put it on the skin and tear bits off so it looks like your skin's torn. It's really a Halloween staple, I'd say. They've sent me a Fantasy FX cream, which I've never used this before, so I'm looking forward to trying that. And it's in this super awesome like zombie grey green colour, and the colour is actually called Zombie Flesh. Sent me some Mehron stipple applicators. So these stipple sponges are also like, if you want to build like a kit of doing like SFX makeup, these are something you have to have, because like if you're creating any kind of cuts with like fake blood and stuff, these are what you need to kind of create realistic like scratches around the edge. Sent me some modelling putty wax. So this is like similar to Ben Nye Face and Scar and I can't remember what it's called, but it's basically just the wax that everyone uses to create like wounds. They've also sent me some spirit. Basically you use it to attach like any like prosthetics, or so if you bought some like devil horns, you'd attach them with spirit gum. They've also sent me some fake blood. So they've sent me the Mehron coagulated blood, and this is not like a runny fake blood, it's like quite a thick gloopy one. So just say I created like a cut on my head, you could use this to like fill the wound and it'd stick. Another Halloween essential, this is all wrapped up, is rigid collodion. I'll leave it wrapped up, but it's super wrapped up, I think, probably in case it leaks out. It smells really strong. And what this does is you paint like a few layers onto your skin and it like contracts, I think. And like basically it leaves like really realistic looking scars on your face. So that's a cool thing to have. Sent me a mini spatula, which this is also something like that you, if you want to get into like doing SFX makeup, that's really important to have a spatula, because that's how you would kind of sculpt the wax Last but not least, they've sent me a Paradise makeup palette. Now this one's really exciting because I've never seen this one before, so I don't know if it's a new one. I have one which is called Brilliant palette. Brilliant. And they sent me that one last year. I'll pop a picture up of it on the screen. And that's like 6 metallic face paints, which are so nice. So I got that one last year, and then I have the pastel one. I'm going to show you it actually. The mirror's cracked, and I've left it open and put black glitter on something, and the glitter's gone everywhere, but you can tell that that it's been loved and used for sure. So this one I love. So I already have those two, and then this one is called Nuance. I think that Treasure House of Makeup have kind of sent all the different Halloween huns like different palettes, obviously, to get like different looks, and this is the one I've been sent. I love it. It's like super Halloween shades, right? I already have this one, which is called Foxy. I've used that in like the last pumpkin tutorial I put up. But I just love these colours. So that is everything from Treasure House of Makeup and Mehron UK. They've been so generous sending me all that stuff. I honestly can't believe it. It's like literally all of the special effects stuff you could ever need. And all just like the essentials really, all the basics. So I got sent this package today from Lula Bells, which is a hair extension and wig company. And I'm just really in love with the packaging, so I wanted to show you it. So it came in this big pink bag, and on the back it says, "You're going to look amazing." And then the wigs come in these beautiful pink satin bags. So the wigs come with this really cute card as well. I love the design. To me it's really I love 50s vintagey stuff, and obviously I love pink as well. So I just really like the branding. I think it's super cute. And on the back it explains how to put the wigs on. So they sent me 2 wigs, which is just so generous, and I'm gonna try them on for you and show you what they look like. So the first wig they've sent me is called the Hallie. Obviously I will link these down below in the description. And this bright pink wig, which is funny because when I dye my hair pink, this is what colour I dye it at first, and then it just fades out until it's this colour. So it's handy to have this colour because my hair is not always this pink, but sometimes I might do a makeup where I want to have this pink hair, so that's kind of why I chose this one. I like that it's got the dark root as well, because I think it just looks a lot more realistic than if it's a pale colour all up to the root. I like the root look, obviously, with my own hair. And as you can see, it's got this bit of lace at the front, so you have to chop that off. And I'm going to try it on for you and let's see. So this is Hallie. I think she's meant to be straight, but she's kind of got a bit crimped in the bag, so I'll have to leave her out of the bag so that the hair kind of straightens out. I love this wig. It's the colour I dye my hair anyway, but obviously you were not someone who could dye your hair such a bright colour, then this would be perfect to get. I also like that it's like a long bob, because my hair's never short, and it's like I don't have any short wigs either, so it's really weird to have, but it feels nice to have like short hair for once. I love it. So this is the Hallie wig. As you can see, like here, it's just a lot more natural looking than like the wigs you buy on eBay for like £15 or whatever. That's why these are more expensive, because they're like super natural, because they have this like actual parting. Okay, let's try the other one on. So the other wig they've sent me is in the same beautiful pink satin bag with the gold writing, and this one's called the Lunar Wig, and I chose this one because I thought it looked really nice with like my Halloween makeups. It's kind of a lilac-y grey colour. It's funny because it's kind of this one's a bit of a similar colour to my hair now, and that's why I kind of went for these two colours, because when my hair's really pink, sometimes I want it to be this colour and vice versa. So it's like now, whatever colour my natural hair is, I can kind of fake it with the wig when I want the other colour. This wig is so nice. I love the colour and the curls. I'm going to leave them both out of the bags for a bit, because I think they've both like kind of been a bit scrunched in the bags and on the journey, but it's like my dream hair that I don't have. Okay guys, and then last but not least, I've been sent some really cool contact lenses. If you've seen a few of my Halloween tutorials, you've probably seen them anyway, but I'm just going to try them in and show you. I've been sent them from 2 different companies, and I have discount codes for both companies if you're looking to get any Halloween lenses, and both of them, I've tried them all in and they're all super comfortable. Link it all in the description if you're interested, and yeah, let's try them on. In. Okay guys, that's it for my Halloween PR unboxing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I've got loads more crazy Halloween things to post. I just wanted to say as well that all of these contact lenses last for a year, so it's not like the ones that you use and then have to throw away. They do last for a year, so I just wanted to point that out. So yeah, see you soon, bye!